What's up YouTube? In this video, I show you how to turn meat like this into this, using nothing but a knife and a cutting board. Now, before we get started, I'd like to ask for you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the bell so you can be the first to know about all of my brand new videos. Let's begin. So, you want to grind your own beef for a burger. You want to make your own breakfast sausage patties, but you don't have a meat grinder or a food processor. Don't fret, cause I'm about to show you a method that will give you complete control over how fine you prefer your grind. All you need is a cutting board, a very sharp knife, the heavier the better. A meat cleaver will work best, but a chef's knife will do just fine. To make sure my knife is as sharp as possible, I whip out my honer. That's right, I said honer, not boner. If you would like me to make a video on the importance of honing your knives, comment down below. Next, you need some meat. I used these pork chops. You can see that there's a good amount of fat here, which is what I want in my ground pork. Now all that's left to do is just finely chop this meat with your knife. I first start by slicing into strips as thin as possible. Then I turned my strips 90 degrees and started slicing the other way, obviously trying to make these slices as thin as possible. Then I split my pile in half to make this job a little easier. I then just sliced these pieces into even smaller bits until I got the consistency I was looking for. As you can see, this is looking like coarsely ground pork, don't you think? And that's exactly what I want. If you're looking for something finer, then just keep chopping your heart out. Not literally, of course. The greatest thing about doing it this way is you are in complete control over the size of your bits. You won't find ground pork this coarse in a grocery store, and trust me, if you do it this way with beef, your burger will be so steaky and delicious, far superior than store-bought ground beef. The only downside is it takes like 6 minutes of straight chopping. You might even break a sweat. Well, if you enjoyed this video, click the next one on the right. Thanks for watching.